Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to bind your Mobile Legends account to keep your game progress safe. First, open Mobile Legends and wait until you're on the main screen. Next, tap your profile picture on the top left corner of your phone. Then you can tap on Account tab. Then you can tap Account Center. Then choose the account you want to bind, such as Moonton account, Google, Facebook, Apple ID, or TikTok. Sign in to the account you want to link and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the binding process. After that, if that doesn't work, you can go to your app store in your phone and check if there is any updates available for Mobile Legends. Installing the latest version can fix bugs and ensure all account features work properly. Now, if that doesn't work, you can go to your settings, then go to your general, then you can tap iPhone storage, then you should search for Mobile Legends, and then you should offload app. This can sometimes fix your problem. Finally, restart the game and return to Account Center. And make sure you have your account successfully linked. That is it for this video. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.